Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So we're looking at a 2023 Grand Design Reflection, and I'll get you the model number here. It's a 303 RLS, and so the guys are getting ready to remove the suspension system and put on a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit. And the guys found, I don't know where they marked it at, but they found 4 cracks in the I-beams of the frame. And 2 on each side is what I'm being told. And so we're going to be turning that into Lippert for a warranty repair under the frame warranty. And let's see if they marked them over here on this side. Now here's 1. There's 2. Actually, there might even be 3. So there's 4 to 5. And the guy's got to cut the plates and put the plates all in. And then, we're talking lately about the V's and the hangers. This one already has it in the center, but there's none up front and there's none in the rear, which is fine. But we're going to be upgrading this. While Biggin was doing his inspection, he actually found that one of the axles was bent. I'm not sure which one. And he also found that one of the hubs, all the studs on the hubs were also stripped out. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and I'll get back to you as we get ready to install a comfort ride on this Grand Design Reflection, this 303 RLS. Thanks so much for watching.